Hello my dear children. So far we discussed Unit 2 and Unit 3. In this session we are going to discuss the first unit but the third chapter, because the first and second chapter is dealing with the +1 portions that we already studied, like list, dictionaries, tuples, for, while, if. Everything that you studied in +1 portion is given as the first 2 chapter in the first unit. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter, that is functions. This chapter also we had discussed in the month of March. Can you recollect some points of functions? Functions means what? A small set of statements under a name. A large program is divided into many sub-programs or sub-modules. That set of modules are known as functions. It is simply a group of statements under any name, that the function name that can be invoked from any part of the program. Consider one example of school management. That is school management software I am saying. What are all the tasks in school management software? The first one, student registration, admission, TC issues, staff details, likewise book issues, library details, stock details, timetable. Like that, a school software will have many subtasks that are divided and defined differently and integrated together to make a school management software. Could you think, if one person is handling everything, then the task will be correct or it may be in a proper manner? No. It has to be divided into smaller things. So, it will be easy to handle, easy to maintain and easy to update. The same thing happens while we are using functions for a large program. Large program, that is the main program, is divided into sub-programs or sub-functions to make it easier and easy updation. Set of functions is stored in a file called module, and this approach is known as modularization. Why we need modularization is, it makes a program easier to understand, test and maintain, because each and every function will do a single task only. Commonly used modules that contain source code for generic need are called libraries. Had you heard about libraries? Yes, it is in your +1 portion, like random, statistics, date. Like that we are having many sub-functions or sub-modules that is collectively called libraries, that we studied in the feature of Python. Python having standard libraries. Modules contains set of functions. Function is mainly of 2 types, that are built-in functions and user-defined functions. By the name itself, it is very clear that built-in functions are already defined, that is predefined, executed, debugged, so that it is like a ready-to-food for sale. That is, it is a ready-made function which is already defined and executed, and all the errors will be rectified. The only thing we need to use it at the proper situation. The next one is about user-defined functions. User-defined functions are nothing but the programmer defines a function by maintaining all the syntaxes according to the task which is required by a customer. What is the advantages of a function? A program can handle in an easier manner. Only small part of the program is dealt with at a time. That is one function having one task only. If you want to change that task, that function have to be rectified. Or if there is any addition happens or additional feature happens, we can add number of functions into a program. That has to be called at the proper place at the proper time. Then the next advantage is reduced LOC. Here LOC means line of code. Line of code means if you want to write the same function or if you want to define the same task again and again, the task can be applied into a function, then only thing we need to call it again and again. So we can reduce the number of lines in a program if we are splitting a main program into sub-programs. The last one, but not the least, that is easy updation. It handles, that I already told, the updations or additional features for a particular task or a particular function. We can easily update if it is in a functional manner. My dear children, I am recollecting the words: easy to handle, reduced line of code, easy updation. Then if you are using function, only thing you have to remember the proper syntax. The in-depth detailing about function will be discussed in the upcoming modules. Thank you.